Welcome everybody to the full moon ceremony for March, and this one is about re-emergence. So keep that in mind. We're going to send love for a few minutes. So send love to other people in this group and who may be watching it. Send love to Mother Earth and to whomever you want to send love to as well. Okay, let's set the energy for this meeting. Thank you. Now, you can sit there, just keep in that energy, and I'll read the message I got from Mother Earth when we talked about what this March meeting might be about. She said, the full moon ceremony will be about re-emergence. As the northern hemisphere emerges from winter and the southern hemisphere emerges from the heat and the dry of summer, and the ground in both hemispheres becomes moist and fertile again, growth begins. Plants emerge, trees break dormant seed, and in the northern hemisphere, the cycle of life begins anew. New ones are born to take their place in the world. This emergence will be seen amongst the people of the world. For those in coherence, for those on the path to their spiritual awakening, this is a time of emergence as well, as a time of upheaval and change. We know that upheaval and change can be destructive and challenging, but it also clears the way for rebirth, for re-emergence, for new ways of being and acting and doing to come forward. And this is what we embrace in this full moon. Amongst the disruption, the disharmony that is being echoed around the world, there is hope and joy and a love that will blossom and grow. There is a new way of looking and being and thinking, a new way to join, to live in greater harmony, in greater unity, and in greater wellness. And I, Mother Earth, encourage you to embrace this new way of thinking and doing as we go forward and begin to live in this new and exciting world. Thank you. Manrinda?
All right. Sit in a relaxed position. Long, deep, slow breaths. Vakrtunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Om Shri Ganpate Namaha. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyam Devaha Bhadram Pashyamaksh Bhiryajatraha Sthirairangai Stushtuvam Sastanubhi व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यम् ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चातात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरातात् अवदक्षिणातात् अवचोर्ध्वातात् अवाधरातात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दा द्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधार स्थितोऽसि नित्यम् त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यम् त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वं इन्द्रस्त्वं अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवः स्वरो गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितम् तारेण ऋद्धम् एतत्तव मनोस्वरूपम् गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यम रूपम् अनुस्वार्शचान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुरुत्तररूपम् नादः सन्धानम् संहिता सन्धिः सैषा गणेश विद्या गणक ऋषिः निच्चृगदायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ॐ गं गणपते नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशम् अंकुशधारिणम् रदं च वरदं हस्ते बिभ्राणम् मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरम् शूर्पकर्णकम् रक्तवाससम् रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गम् रक्तपुष्पै सुपूजितम् भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवम् जगत्कारणम् अच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यम् स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतय नमो गणपतय नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्तेस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्ते नमो नमः एतद् अथर्वशीर्षयोधीते स ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते स सर्वतः सुखमेधते स सर्वविघ्नेर्न बाध्यते स पञ्चमहापापात् प्रमुच्यते सायं धियानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाश्यति प्रातर्धियानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाश्यति सायं प्रातः प्रयुञ्जानो अपापो भवति सर्वत्र धियानोपविघ्नो भवति धर्मार्थ काम मोक्षं च विन्दति इदम् अथर्वशीर्ष मशिष्याय न देयम् यो यदि मोहाद् दास्यति ॐ सहनाववतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहि तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहि ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवान् सस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ नमामि शमीशान निर्वाणरूपम् विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्म वेदस्वरूपम् निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशमाकाश वासं भजेऽहम् निराकार ओंकार मूलं तुरीयं गिरा ज्ञान गोतीत मीशं गिरीशम् करालं महाकाल कालं कृपालम् गुणागार संसार पारं नतोऽहम् तुषाराद्रिसङ्काश गौरं गम्भीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्री शरीरम् स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसद्भालभालेन्दु कण्ठे भुजङ्गा चलत्कुण्डलं भ्रू सुनेत्रं विशालं प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं जगन्नाथं दयालं मृगाधीशचर्माम्बरं मुण्डमालम् प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि प्रचण्डं प्रकष्टं प्रगल्भं परेशम् अखण्डम् अजं भानुकोटिप्रकाशम् त्रयः शूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणिं भजेऽहं भवानी पतिं भावगम्यम् कलातीत कल्याण कल्पान्तकारी सदा सज्जनानन्ददाता पुरारी चिदानन्द सन्दोह मोह पहारी प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो मन्मथारी न यावत् उमानाथ पादारविन्दम् भजन्ति हलोके परिवानराणाम् न तावत् सुखं शान्ति सन्तापनाशम् प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूतादिवासम् न जानामि योगं जपं नैव पूजाम् न तोऽहं सदा सर्वदा शम्भो तुभ्यम् जराजन्म दुःखोघ तातात्म्यमानम् प्रभो पाहि आपन् नमामीश शम्भो जराजन्म दुःखोघ तातात्म्यमानम् प्रभो पाहि आपन् नमामीश शम्भो प्रभो पाहि आपन् नमामीश शम्भो कर्पूरगौरम् करुणावतारम् संसारसारम् भुजगेन्द्रहारम् सदा वसन्तम् हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सदा सर्वदा कल्याण भव कल्याण भव कल्याण भव सदा सर्वदा कल्याण भवा कल्याण भवा कल्याण भवा सदा सर्वदा कल्याण भवा कल्याण भवा कल्याण भवा Everyone come back with ease.
Beautiful, thank you. I think while I was listening, I was thinking, I think I love it because it's to me, a foreign language, and I don't have to think about the words. I can just accept the energy. Shall we see if we've got a message from Mother Earth?
Yes, please.
Okay, so just give me a moment while I connect and then we'll see where we go. Okay, hold on.
For the first time, we heard it. Today, we heard it.
I changed the settings.
Okay.
And I've got a new one. Here's this.
Yeah.
I like that.
This is Mother Earth. I hope all of you who are attending and all of you who watch this video through either Karen's or Manvinder's YouTube channels know how special these meetings are. The coming together of such beautiful souls, the energy being transmitted through Manvinder's mantras and Karen's readings, and most of all, the energy of all you who participate either in person or later through the videos. No matter when you watch them, the energy is now. There is no time. So the hundreds of people who watch this in the future, your energy is here now, and your energy is a beautiful, magical, and magnificent thing, and it is working. It is making a difference, and it's making a difference on many different levels. It's making a difference in what you would call the here and now. For those who are tuning in for the March full moon, you are aligning yourself to these energies, to the energies coming through to this planet, to the energies of the full moon, to the energies of re-emergence as the cycle of the season turns. This is an important time. This is a critical junction on Earth for me, Mother Earth, and for all who live on me. This is one of the points of change. And because it is a point of change, it is a point of choice. We have many points of this choice. So don't think if you don't get this one, you'll miss it. There is no missing, for there is no time. But for those who are living in the 3D world, where time is much more linear, know that these points of choice will come around in a cycle, because I always say it is all about cycles. But this is, in the next week or two, a moment, a point of choice. For there are changes coming, and all these changes require a choice. Do you choose to change? Are you ready to change? Are you willing to trust and move forward? If your answer is yes, then changes will occur according to your own soul's plan. If you are not ready, that is not a problem. There is another cycle and another point of choice for you. So this is a point of choice. This is not the only point of choice. And you will know in your heart when you are ready. So there is no first, no last. There is only what is suitable for your own soul's path. But if you make a choice or not, the energies of the choice, the energies of re-emergence are strong at this moment. And you can all choose new changes, new emergences. You all can look and feel and see what changes you would like to make in your life, in your heart, and in how you view the world. For the changes that are coming are more about changes in our perceptions of how we choose to see the world. Many, many spirits, guides, higher beings, ascended masters have been sending messages to Earth about this need to change, to live in our hearts, to live in love. I, Mother Earth, who is in cycles, who is a cycle, who manifests cycles and changes, say that with the energies coming in and the higher energies as the moon moves to fall over the next few days, harness this energy and use it. Use it to align yourself to the possibility of change. The amount of change is up to you, but this is the season of re-emergence. This is the season of waking up, of renewing and regrowing, of sending out new tentacles to explore a new season. And you can harness this energy for yourself, for you are part of these cycles. Humanity may have moved away from these cycles, but these cycles have not moved away from you. So take into your heart, take into the heart your beautiful energy that Manvinda has sent. Take into your heart and fill it with love. And from your heart, full of love, use this energy that is coming in to prepare yourself, to still yourself, and be ready for whatever change is coming for you in the next few months and years. We bless you all, and we hold you in our care, and know that the love, the respect, and the energy that you send to me and to all others is of the highest benefit and the greatest joy. And we return that love and joy to you as we come together for this moment. Blessings to you all. Hey.
Thank you.
So I hope that helps. I
It
hope
does very much.
that
Yeah.
brings. I know I've been feeling the energies, and I have been going through loads of times of fear, and I feel that I'm shedding a whole stack of old fears to open my heart further so that I can be ready for what's coming. Now, I don't know what's coming. I think it I know that energy is coming and we are lifting and we are changing, and I see that in my life, and I see that in the people that I keep in touch with and with you in the group. So we feel that I always get a strong sense that these ceremonies help us to attune to the cycles, and they help us to attune to these energies. And that the energies that Manvinda brings through help us to align. And the energies in the messages that I bring through help us align. And the love we send back to Mother Earth helps us. And just to make this journey a little easier is my wish and hope for us. So thank you all for joining. And we are going to do, because Manvinda reminded me that we have an equinox coming up next week. And it's going to be another big one. I channeled a message this morning to see, because we started this whole thing with a solstice ceremony. And so,
Last.
so this is the message that I got about the solstice, which I think is the Friday. Is that right, Manvinda?
The 21st. Yes,
Yep.
March 21st.
Yep.
It's a Friday for us who are in US or Canada, but I think for you in Australia, it's Saturday.
It will be Saturday. The equinox for us is Thursday,
Oh,
but
okay.
that's not a problem. We'll do it your Friday, my Saturday, because I'm free.
Okay.
So it'll be the same time, but the message we had is an equinox ceremony is needed for all. These are incredible times, and many changes are being brought forth for me, the earth, and for all who live on her. The equinox is always a special time of balancing and change. And this equinox will be a strong one, and the need for balance and change critical. So we ask you, please, to have a ceremony so you and Manvinda can help with these energies and reach and help as many people as possible. So it was really interesting that it was balance and change, not change and balance, but balance before change. So yeah, we'll see where that goes. So thank you, everybody. It's been a pleasure to have you all here.